What's up, guys? Today we're looking at the model DEC. That's a deck over bumper pull equipment trailer. We're going to look at the features and benefits of this trailer and why it adds value to the work that you need to do every day. Like any good walk around, we have to start at the front and work our way to the back. You know, we've got a lot of the things that every manufacturer has in terms of the Demco Easy Latch coupler. Anybody can talk about that stuff, but what we're going to hit primarily on this DEC are the things that make it different and again add value to your work. Starting at the front, the dual speed or 2-speed Simol jack. You know, it sounds like it's just another jack, but this one's rated higher and easier to use than the industry standard. It's a 15K jack. It's got 2 speeds, so it's easily, you go in and out with this handle to engage the different gears. So you've got a low gear, which is what I'm in now, which is when the trailer is loaded and you need to raise or lower it with a load on it. That low gear makes it super easy. What it means is more revolutions, but not as much work to get it to go. Then it also has high gear, which is when you pull it out, and now less revolutions moves the jack more, which makes it super fast to unhook and hook up this trailer, this DEC, and any Diamond C trailer that has a manual jack on it. So the dual speed Simol is a huge value add, whether you're using it or your team is using the trailer every day. Moving into the tongue and frame area of the trailer, it's an engineered tongue, engineered frame. We'll talk a little more about what that means, but focusing right here, why this is valuable is because it's added deck space. This is a 24-foot trailer from here to the back of the ramps, but this area right here is actually not void space anymore. You can use this, it's the same height as the deck. You can use it as extended deck space. Maybe you got the whole bed filled up with equipment, say it's a tractor with a loader on it or whatever, and you needed a little more space. You can actually put a pump, job box, generator, chains and boomers, whatever you need in this tray and carry it to the side. But it also doubles as an immense amount of storage space inside. You can actually put another spare in there if you wanted to. You can put another person in there. I mean, you can put, just kidding, don't put people in there, but you can put tools in there, a jack, you know, you can put anything that you may need to get to the job site. Obviously, it's a huge amount of storage area. So whereas a lot of trailers in this class either have nothing, they have a small tray in the tongue and that's it, or else they have a smaller toolbox up there that you can't have near as much storage. So we're really utilizing all of the space of the tongue, and being that it's an engineered tongue, we can actually create a little more depth so you have plenty of space inside there. When we talk about engineered frame throughout the trailer, engineered beam technology we launched in 2017 at the end of the year, in production in 18 on our big gooseneck trailers, and then over the years following we infused it across our entire product line. And what it means for you is actually we put the metal where it counts the most. It's not inefficient like going and buying structural beam and then hacking it up to try and make it work on these, especially these heavier GVWR trailers. We can actually make the frame stronger and lighter at the same time because we have control over the thickness of the material, the height of the beam, and then again the thickness of the material, and we can dictate how much it weighs per foot, matching the strength to the length and the GVWR that's necessary. So again, that's when we talk about added value long term, you're not dragging around excess weight for no reason, and you've got the strength that's going to stand up over time. So this one, like I say, is 24 feet from the front of the bed here all the way to the tip of the back of the trailer. The DEC is available in 20 feet straight deck all the way up to a 30 foot in this configuration, still in bumper pull. The GVWR range starts from 15,500, which would be 2 7K axles, all the way up to 23,000 pounds with 2 10K axles. The one we're looking at today is a 208, so it's kind of right in the middle. It has an 18,000 pound rating. This trailer weighs, every Diamond C has the actual dry weight on the tag. This one's coming in right at 5,500 pounds, so it gives you 12,500 pounds worth of payload capacity on the deck. Obviously you want to distribute that weight, but this one is ideal to be able to handle, you know, your mid-sized skid steers that are weighing around 12,000 pounds. The SVL 95 I think is in that range, but I reference that one because that's about the only one I know. But anyways, a lot of these machines are getting to be heavier and wider than what can go through the fenders on an equipment trailer. So the cool thing about the DEC is being able to use it to haul equipment, but also to be able to go to the lumber yard and pick up, again, lumber, rebar, you know, maybe it's palleted goods. You have a deck over, you don't have fenders sticking up out of the way. So you can use the entire deck space over the top of the ramps and the tongue, everything we've talked about, you know, for loading cargo. So it's a really versatile trailer if it's on the, whether it's on the construction site or on the farm. You know, the DEC is very, very handy. And again, this is basic since it doesn't have hydraulics. You know, it's more of a simple trailer, but it again adds tons of value because you can do so much with it. When we talk about the axles and running gear, being 8K axles, they're Lippert axles, oil bath axles, you know, these are the big brake 8Ks. And what I want to say about that is a lot of our competitors use what's called a hybrid 8K, which means it has the heavy duty tube that goes across connecting the spindles and the hubs, but it's got the 7K brake, which technically rates high enough to be called an 8K, but it is not going to last nearly as long used in the application that this trailer be used in. So you want to make sure, you know, when you're comparing apples to apples, that you consider, hey, does that competitor's trailer have the hybrid on it or the full 8K brake? Because that's added value. You know, on that hybrid brake on this trailer, if you're using it for what it's intended for, again, is not going to last nearly as long. So back to the conversation of adding value, you know, that's what you're paying for up front. It is a premium today over theirs, but it costs you less to own the trailer over time. Well, we rolled through all of this, and everything I've said is true, is the same, but I just realized this one's actually a 210, not a 208. So this is the one that's rated at 23,000 GVWR, not 18. It looks very similar. The frame is very similar, but I got to looking at the hubs, and I'm like, those hubs are bigger than 208. And so this one is actually a 210, rated at 23,000. So it's actually going to give you more like, what is that? 23,000 minus 5,000 is 18,000 pounds worth of payload capacity on the deck of this one. It runs a 235 17.5, which is an 18 ply tire, very heavy duty. We run that tire standard on the 210. Some other folks may run a 215 size, but we feel like this is a little more applicable and helps us get to that 23,000 pound rating. The DEC has three different loading options on it actually. This one is shown with the max ramps, which is our 2 wide ramp. We'll talk about that in just a second. It also has the 5-foot dove with a knee ramp option, which is good for more dedicated for hauling skid steers and things. Then it also has a straight deck option with sliding ramps, which is really meant for hauling cargo more so, you know, whether it's rebar and things and pallets, but does have the sliding ramps for if you need to get out of a bind and haul a piece of equipment or a truck or something. So on the max ramps, Diamond C max ramps are the OG max ramps. We released these, a revised version back in 2018, and these are the easiest to use max ramps in the business on the market. I say that confidently because I've flipped hundreds of sets of them in different manufacturers over the years, and these have went unchanged because when we came out with them, they're just so well balanced, it'd be really hard to improve them. One thing that we did just improve upon is the hold down mechanism. This is a Stillwell brand max ramp hold down. This is on the max ramps and the X ramp on the LPX. Cast aluminum handle, pistol grip. It's got a trigger latch mechanism, which makes it really easy to operate. Just simply unlatch it and put it down. Then also when it comes time to latch it back, it just simply pulls down. But what I would like to show you where the real magic is on these max ramps, forever 2 wide ramps were extremely hard to flip. They were either really heavy off the deck or really heavy off of the ground. And we were able to kind of blend the two and find the sweet spot. And so you see one hand, I'm pulling up, and here I can just turn loose of it. That's how well balanced they are, that it's not going to fall on you. It's not going to fall back one way or the other. And then you just keep going, and that second set of springs engages. And now it's on the ground. It's incredibly easy to use, user friendly, you know, for a broad range of customers. You don't have to go to the weight room every day to be able to flip the ramps. And then, so obviously both of them are that way. The cool thing is the 2 wide ramps gives you a really nice wide loading surface. Got a 5-foot dove, where most other manufacturers on a DEC are gonna have a 4-foot dove. This makes the approach angle much easier going from the ground to the deck. and then you can see I'm having to actually push it back down a little bit, and then it's latched down. So it's super, super beautiful. So on the DEC, a few of the other things that we want to talk about that when we say adds value: 6-year structural warranty, 2-year comprehensive warranty on all of your components, and then it has a 3-year warranty on the DM coating system. Why do those things matter? That matters because we have your back that much longer. We are confident that this trailer will stand up to the test of time working. And of course, you know, like your pickup, like equipment, anything, there may be an issue, but our team, our customer success team, is there to back it up, which is incredible for that length of time. So those things add value. Everything that we've talked about through this trailer, you know, is really well thought out or intentionally thought out to add value to the work you do every day and give you peace of mind, and also to support that when you want to invest up front the first time for equipment that will last and not cost you more down the road, Diamond C's the way to go.